Hey YouTube, Midwest Picker here. I have to record this on my phone. My GoPro batteries both died, but you don't care about that. So I have so many new subscribers, over 150 in the last 2 weeks. I figured, you know what? I should do a flashback video. Instead of asking you guys to go back and watch my old, moldy old videos where I ramble on and on and on for 40 minutes, I thought, you know what? I'm just going to make a short, concise video. I'm going to grab a video from 3 years ago and just show you the really sweet spot. So 3 years ago, back in 2021, I uploaded a video on my YouTube channel from my old house in my basement office on 2 BOLO items. A really cool book and bee venom. That's right, bee venom. That's crazy. You get to see, I think Enoch is on the left, and let me think now. No, Enoch is on the right. Joey is on my left. Right now, Joey's taking a nap over there, but you get to see Joey. And this is just a quick, concise video, so you don't have to watch the old video and sit through the whole thing. So sit back and enjoy this 2021 flashback. Another HBA item. This is what I'm talking about. Who knew you could sell bee venom on eBay? Well, I did. That's right. I sold bee venom on eBay. So these are facial masks. Again, HBA item, cosmetic item. This was at Marshall's, marked way down, I think $3 a box. I scanned it with my eBay app on my phone. Boom, I couldn't believe it. These things are expensive and valuable. Kind of dangerous too. Maybe I'll put a picture up of the warning label. I mean, if you're allergic to bees, obviously you can't use it. And even if you're not allergic to bees, it might sting your skin and cause pain and issues. Holy cow. I don't even know who would use this. But hey, I'm not using it. I'm selling it. Cost of goods was $3 a box. I had it listed pretty high, like $59.95. I took a best offer of $40. I just wanted to blow it out and get rid of it. I thought if somebody's going to send me an offer, I'm going to jump on it and take it. So $9 into $40, that's not too bad. Not a home run, but not bad. All right, now for my home run.
You can put it on the board!
My secret honey hole thrift store. I feel bad for them. They do okay. They don't have a lot of customers. They don't move merchandise really fast. The clothing just sits there. The hard goods, a lot of junk. Well, they have a lot of books. And every once in a while, every 2 or 3 months, they have a book sale. And all books are on sale, 10 cents a piece. Doesn't matter what they are. They could be big. They could be study Bibles. They could be encyclopedias, Time Life, coffee table picture books. They don't care. 10 cents a piece. So I was there with Little Midwest, and I didn't even see the sign for a while, but it's a really small sign, and it said all books 10 cents. So I got really excited. I said, okay, let's take a look. And they had cookbooks, and some of the books I scanned were $8, $7, $5. I said, okay, that's not bad, but let's try to find a home run here. Well, self-help books, psychology books, counseling books, marriage counseling books, that category of psychology, self-help, goes very well. It can be very expensive. So I saw 6 blue books that were all identical. So I pulled it out and I scanned it. One of them sold for $24, one sold for $22, one sold for $30. Lots of solds, not just 1 or 2, like 15 or 20 solds. I'm like, woohoo, this is awesome. And there's 6 of them. So I got them for 60 cents. And I thought, that's crazy. I'm going to buy them all. So I listed them with a volume discount, but just 1 at a time, 6 available. Because there's a lot of competition, I did free first-class shipping. This person bought 2 of them, which made it too heavy to ship first class, but they easily fit into a priority mail, flat rate padded envelope. So I had to eat about $7.90. I don't care because they bought 2 of them for $50. Yeah, that's right. 20 cents into $50. That was awesome. I wish they had more, but they only had 6, so I'm down to 4. So that bee venom was pretty weird. What's the weirdest thing you've ever sold on eBay? Put that down in the comment section. I think this is my weirdest. I'm not sure. I have to put on my thinking cap and go back in time. But I think bee venom, for me, is the weirdest thing I've ever sold on eBay. I want to hear from you. What is the weirdest thing that you sold on eBay? Put it down in the comments. So there's Worthless Joey. I actually had people in the comments ask me if that was a real person. Some people kind of got freaked out because he doesn't move, he doesn't talk, and they actually thought he was real. Well, I think he's real. Of course he's real. So that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got 2 BOLOs out of that video. Self-help books are awesome. And bee venom makeup, HBA items, yeah, you can go to Marshall's. You can go to TJ Maxx. You can go to Burlington Coat Factory. There's all kinds of those discount stores, and I'm probably missing a few. And they have discounted cosmetics, and then they mark them down even more. So I know, like Marshall's, they'll put like a red tag for clearance items. You can get them super cheap. So look for L'Oreal, look for these bee venom face masks. They got all kinds of crazy stuff. If you can get them super cheap, 90% off regular retail, grab them. So that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that thumbs up on your way out. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I greatly appreciate it. Oh yeah, and there's a thank you button below this video. Don't push that button. Until next time, see ya.